In last two videos, we had learned how to georeference an image and digitize its features for making a digital map in GIS. In this video, we will learn how to prepare a map layout in ArcMap. You can create different types of map layout according to your creativity, but all maps should consist with these basic elements. So let's see how we can create a map layout in ArcMap. After processing all data, you need to switch Map Layout view in ArcMap. Right-click and select Page and Print Setup. Select your preferable page size and orientation. You can also select custom size. After setup of your page layout, resize your data frame. Select a good scale size for better understanding. Now right-click and go to Properties. Go to Grids and select New Grid. You will get three types of grid. Select Graticules. Select Levels only for a plain map. Set intervals for grid. You can change grid style and label from here. Click on Finish. Now go to Properties of this grid. Select Label Axis and Orientation. Change your font size, color from here. If you want to change interval, then go to Intervals and change it. Click on Apply and OK. Now go to Insert and select Map Elements one by one. First add a north arrow and scale. Add Map Legend. To modify Map Legend, double-click on it and follow the steps. Now add a border for these elements. For study area location map, add a new data frame and resize that. Add data in this data frame and place that data frame in a suitable place. Here, if you want, then put some additional details of this map like projection system, author name, company or department's name or logo, and many more. Add a map title at the top. You can also draw a neat line around the whole map. So now you can make your own maps in ArcMap with some simple steps. I will continue this ArcMap basic tutorial series and bring some more amazing videos on ArcMap. For that, you need to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon to get instant notification of our new videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.